Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be creating our add new note functionality. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new file. And we're gonna create a SwiftUI view. And this is gonna be add new note, like so. All right, now here we're gonna once again create environment. Manage object context, mark. Okay, then we're gonna have binding. We're gonna need create password, so whether the create password was shown or not, initially it's going to be false. All right, okay, we're gonna need so state variables private. Okay, state private. Let me put state variables together. All right, state private var note text. This is going to be of type string. Is secured. It's going to be false. All right, okay, so now we're going to create our form. All right, so we're going to have a vstack, a text, title, padding. At the top, it's going to be 30 points. Then we're going to have a text field, which is going to have note for the first parameter, which is placeholder, and note text. Then there's going to be a divider, and right after the divider we're going to have a button. So I'm going to remove the preview. I don't need that. And button is going to have action. Okay, and this action is gonna first toggle is secured. That is going to say if self dot is secured is true and not bio auth, so biometric auth is not supported, and password helper dot is password blank. So these three conditions. So basically we are checking if the node is secured. All right, so we marked it secured. If the biometric authentication is not supported, and if password is blank, then that means we need to create a password. And for that, we're gonna simply say self dot create password dot toggle. Okay, and we're gonna print a message for us, create new password called just for debugging. Okay, all right, next up, inside the body we're gonna have an h stack. This h stack is going to have a text, secure note dot foreground color is gonna be primary. Okay, all right, so next we're gonna create a group. This group is gonna have is secured, and that's gonna be an image, system name, checkmark.shield else. So we're gonna show simply a shield for unchecked state. All right, and then we're gonna set the font for these as title. Let's go ahead and build, make sure everything is still building, and then we're gonna attach a sheet to this. So we're gonna attach a sheet to the button by stating sheet is presented, create password, and the content, and this is where it threw us off, so I'm just gonna remove that. Call create password screen here. We are simply gonna call text. For now, okay, and then basically you're gonna have right after the sheet, you can have an hashtag that's gonna basically be our save button. Okay, so hashtag, which is gonna have a button action, and so one of the action is going to be self.show add.toggle. Okay, so it's going to basically dismiss that, and we also need first of all, let's satisfy this so the errors go away. Save, adding horizontal, I need 50 points, and vertical I need 10 points. Background, I would say make a capsule with fill as color.blue.opacity 0.4. Content shape, it's going to be rectangle to increase the tap area. Okay, and overall we're gonna give this padding, this hashtag some padding, top 30, and I'm gonna place a spacer here and gonna create a padding. All right, now we want to call save note here. Okay, and save note is functionality, that's something that we can create in a function, in a private function. So private function save new note, and we're gonna say note context is equal to secure note. We're gonna supply the context self.moc note context.id is equal to uuid. Okay, note context.created is equal to date. Note context.note is equal to self.note text, and then note context dot is secured is going to be self dot is secured. Okay, then we're gonna say do try self dot mock dot save catch error saving error dot localized description. Okay, and we are getting some errors, so we're gonna see where the error is. First let's call self dot save. Okay, so there we go, everything is building fine. All right, so we are calling our save note. Okay, and before we proceed, or before we try it out, I want to also create this create new password and enter new password screen. So let's hop on to the next video where we can create a create new password and enter new password screens. Okay, so I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.